In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Finance shortcut in just 5 minutes. Navigating quickly to your most visited websites can save you a considerable amount of time and enhance your overall online experience. Today, I'll guide you through the surprisingly simple process of creating a shortcut to Google Finance right on your desktop. Whether you're keeping an eye on the stock market, researching investment strategies, or simply staying updated with the financial world, having instant access to Google Finance can be incredibly handy. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Google Finance website. You can do this by typing www.google.com/finance into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a wealth of financial information at your fingertips, from stock prices and market trends to news articles. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll want to do that next. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you prefer for accessing financial information. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your Google password. Make sure you type this in carefully to avoid any issues. Password security is crucial, so never share your password or type it in when others are watching. Once you've successfully entered your password, you'll see a Next button. Click on this to proceed. This might seem like a small step, but it's an essential part of the sign-in process that ensures your account is secure and ready to be used. Now here comes the fun part, creating the shortcut. Once you're signed in, navigate back to the Google Finance homepage if you're not already there. You're looking for the Google Finance logo. It's typically located at the top left corner of the page. What you'll want to do is click and drag this logo directly to your desktop. This action will create a shortcut link on your desktop that, when clicked, will take you straight to the Google Finance website. If you're not familiar with clicking and dragging, here's a quick rundown. Place your cursor over the Google Finance logo. Click on it and hold the mouse button down. Without releasing the button, move your cursor to your desktop. Once the cursor is over your desktop, release the mouse button. And just like that, you've created a shortcut. To give it a try, double click on the new Google Finance shortcut on your desktop. It should open your default web browser and take you directly to the Google Finance page. This is a fantastic way to save yourself a few extra clicks and seconds when checking the financial markets. A couple of additional tips to consider. First, make sure your browser allows you to create desktop shortcuts this way. Most modern browsers do, but there may be exceptions or settings that need adjusting. Second, organizing your desktop can greatly enhance your efficiency. Place your new Google Finance shortcut in a location that's easy for you to remember and access. You might even create a specific folder on your desktop for financial tools and resources if you find yourself frequently visiting such sites. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google Finance shortcut on your desktop. Now with a single click, you can access a world of financial information anytime you need it. This simple yet effective trick can save you time and make it easier to stay informed about the markets and your investments. Remember, the world of finance is fast moving, and staying informed is key to making wise investment decisions. With your new shortcut, you're just a click away from the latest in market trends, investment news, and financial data. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends or colleagues who might also benefit from having quick access to Google Finance. Stay savvy and see you in the next tutorial.